We are bringing you update from Finland and what is happening inside Biafra government in exile as we are speaking right now. They say that the Nigeria government refused to send their representative in Finland so that they can bring the evidence who they are tagging Simon Ekpa a terrorist, and these people are nowhere to be found according to the information, alleged information what would they get from inside Finland currently. And as that one dey happen, we can't dey get information again say that some people for inside Biafra government in exile want to take over the money part. It's like they want to overthrow Simon Ekpa, the PM of Biafra government in exile. This is the information that we are got, and we're going to play the videos for you to watch. They say that many people have rejected the Zoological Republic and embraced the United States of Biafra. We are going to show you the video how they are destroying everything that made them a citizen of Nigeria. They are destroying everything. My people, if people remember that Udele said that Nnamdi Kanu he celebrated last year with Gare, say is the last year of Nnamdi Kanu on earth. Today, Udele, we are going to celebrate Udele in prison with also that same Gary and wish him the same thing in wishing Nnamdi Kanu. Our brother will explain more better. My people, let us jump into this news in details and bring the videos for you to watch. Just stay tuned and watch the video. The first video that I'm going to play you here right now is for you to see what this our brother says concerning the Nigerian government refusing to show up in Finland to represent themselves. After that, we'll jump to other updates. Stay tuned to the last for you to get everything in details.
Hi guys, updates on Simon Ekpa, stroke Nigeria, stroke Finland, stroke Biafra matter. We all know that this is almost 2 weeks Simon Ekpa have been in police in Finland here, have been under police custody here in Finland. And since then, Finland have been requesting for Nigeria to send their lawyer to come over to defend them at court. But to date, this is almost 2 weeks. Finland have not seen any representative in their country that come from Nigeria in regard of the petition that Nigerian government submitted to ICC on Simon Ekpa, that he is practicing terrorism, kidnapping and insecurity. He is the responsible for insecurity in the southeast. But this is almost 2 weeks now. The Finland authority or the Finland police or have not seen any lawyer coming from Nigeria to represent them here in Finland. Okay, but Nigeria is coming up with a propaganda saying that Simon Ekpa is inside the prison. Simon Ekpa have been restricted to travel. All these things are lie. Nigeria only know how to lie and only know how to carry propaganda around. Simon Ekpa is well okay, and we all know that Finland here cannot put you in cell or in prison if your case have not been judged. So Simon Ekpa have been under police apartment, so not like he is on the prison. And please, we are still begging Nigeria, we are waiting for your representative and for your proof where Simon Ekpa is causing insecurity in the southeast. Thank you.
Okay, my wonderful people, welcome back as you have watched that video. And now let me also show you another video of what is currently happening inside Biafra government in exile. Some individuals also want to hijack the struggle in aspect of Mazi Simon Ekpa. Watch the video.
Please, if you're one of those parading yourself as a defense minister, or you know more about defense in the homeland, stop it. Desist from it. Remember, a week ago, I called you, asked you a question. I told you, what do our prime minister say? You know what you said. You said you shouldn't talk to them. You know what I mean. And stop deceiving Biafran people. Stop parading yourself, because what you are doing not only going to hurt you later on, because it will really cause damage on you. When everything is finally revealed, stop deceiving, not because our prime minister is not here. When our prime minister was here, I don't see you parading yourself, acting the way you are. I don't want to mention your name. You know who you are. You already been warned by our Prime Minister, not because he didn't make it public. You don't have hand in the homeland. Please desist from it. And within you, the individual I'm talking about now himself. Remember what you told me last week when I confronted you. You actually told me, what will you be doing if you have to obey the Prime Minister instruction that is diseased from communicating with them? Please, disease, you don't know them. Stop deceiving those that you are deceiving. A lot of us know a lot, but not everything will bring out in the public. But as far as the defense, our defense are intact. What we need is money to get across to do the rightful thing that we need to do, which we'll be doing for more than 1 week, 2 weeks. We survive it. Everything is going fine. 3 weeks, 1 month, 1 year, 2 years plus. Keep counting. We have not have problem. Why now? Please, whoever it is, keep your interior motive. And for those that don't know how government is run, do your research and be more enlightened so you stop causing more damage. Thank you.
That kind of accountability now. We are in freedom fighting and we have a government and the Prime Minister when he wants to do accountability. Ask Prime Minister to do accountability. One big question. Why didn't you ask Prime Minister to do accountability for you? Why will you now come and ask me to do accountability for you now? No. So you should ask Prime Minister, do accountability. For all of you that want accountability, go and call Prime Minister and say, Prime Minister, come and do accountability for me. I want all of you to cut this side off and tell whoever wants accountability that he should first tell Prime Minister to do accountability for him or her. When you tell Prime Minister like that, then I will say that you are able to talk. It's not when Prime Minister is not here. You now call the people that he gave work to do to say, come and do accountability.
Welcome back, my wonderful people, as you have watched that video. And now let us also go and watch another video of people denouncing Nigeria and embracing the United States of Biafra. Watch the video.
Yes, today being the 5th December 2024, I denounce everything concerning Nigeria. I denounce my passport. I denounce Nigeria. Today, I'm a full citizen of United States of Biafra, and I will uphold it with integrity and make sure that I defend it. Today, I denounce this nonsense country called Nigeria, terrorist country like Nigeria. Today.
So now, guys, I want you to follow the camera as we take it round. As you can see, the passport is still there, and I'm holding it, and that is the piece. And I'm going to do that. You can see it. Goodbye, Nigeria. Fuck you, Nigeria. I am not interested in you, Nigeria. You can see that? I am practically not interested in this nasty piece of a nation. DSS, if you think I am coming to your Ruga land, your Fulani land, you are practically wasting your bloody time. Guys, goodbye, Nigeria. I'm done with you, Nigeria. Not in my life anymore. So they should tell, look, send this round, let the DSS know. They should know. They should be informed that one crazy man, one nasty Yoruba man is burned. And this is the way Nigeria is going to burn, guys.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Also, let also see wetin this our brother talk concerning Ijele.
Like this, Ijele Udele. In our Christmas. I go to this wish your master and the call happy Christmas. At DSS. Things that goes around comes around. Like this. You know, we're at the same place now about Christmas. Just like play, Ijele. Udele. Ọkwa bọọlụ ịgba n'ahụ aja ọkwa ya chieta. Bọọlụ ịgbapụ n'ahụ aja ya chieta. Abụ m mposi weta gari wish ya Maazị Nnamdi Kanu si na ya last Christmas ya on earth. Isi na ịmọrọ dị na Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na kisa afụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na ya ha nọrọ udo April. Ọnwụfuo ọ yi kwuru Udele. Like this now. You know, spend that same place. About Christmas. The king of the game. Now we see the king of the prison. There one. Oya chore mo mara. Atoro of ofekofe sin ofe.
Okay, my wonderful people, here we come to the end of today. Ogbenge news wey we get for our table. Abeg, may you drop your own opinion for inside comment section and share the video so that other people could get the information. Abeg, I want you also to follow this page and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Very important. Don't forget, say it's still there for Barnabas G's. This is the only way you can help us, is to share, follow, and also subscribe. That is only way you can help us. If you wish to give us a star, it's up to you. But if you don't wish, share and also follow and drop your own opinion in comment section.